Hello, I'm Double Agent Lee Williams and I'm going to talk about web browsers today. First of all, I'll talk about the situation when you first install your operating system or turn your computer on. If you have a Windows system, you're going to have Internet Explorer, and if you have a Mac, you're going to have Safari. I'm going to talk about some alternatives that you may want and the reasons why you may want them. So first of all, Firefox is an open source software available for Windows and a Mac. Firefox is fast and there are plenty of add-ons available for it. If you wanted to have an email notifier right inside your browser, or you wanted to block advertisements, for example, you would be able to do this inside this browser. Flock is the browser of choice if you like social media. So if you like using Facebook and using Twitter, it integrates really well. So you can have your Facebook updates along the side, and along the bottom you can update your Twitter. And again, there are a lot of add-ons available to this, specifically geared towards updating your online profiles. Next, you have Google Chrome. At the moment, this is available for Windows only and not Mac. It's a fast web browser. It's also really basic if you don't want everything cluttering your desktop. Also, it's the most stable because it runs each tab in a separate process. So if something caused your tab to crash, like a bad plugin or anything like that, it would just get rid of that tab rather than the whole web browser like it would with other choices. Internet Explorer is the default web browser that you get on most Windows systems. Now, you may need to keep this for a work application, or you're just really familiar with it. But you should always update to the latest versions. You should make sure you update to Internet Explorer 8 because it's faster, it has more features, and also it reads web pages much better. Safari is the default browser for a Mac. It's very fast and it's very basic, so it's a great default browser. You should always update to the latest version though. The latest version is Safari 4. Now, this one has a feature called Top Sites. It'll measure your 9 most visited sites, and when you open a new tab, it'll show a thumbnail of each of those sites, so you can quickly click on them, kind of like visual bookmarks. So in summary, you have Firefox for Windows and Mac. This is very secure, and there's a lot of add-ons available for it. You have Flock, which is great if you use Twitter and Facebook and other social media. You have Google Chrome, which is very basic and also stable. And you have Internet Explorer and Safari, which are the defaults, but make sure you keep the latest versions.